One life, one dream, one passion, traveling.
This traveling place, it's me Afsha, and you are watching my channel Travel with Afsha. Friends, can you believe me if I say that there is a place in India that remains cut off from rest of the world for more than 8 months? Nahi na? But believe me, there is a place in India, in Ladakh, called Zanskar. तो चलो मैं आपको Zanskar घुमाती हूँ. Also known locally by the name of Zahir, Zanskar is a small district in Kargil, located in the eastern section of Ladakh. For the ardent traveler, Zanskar Valley is one of the most enchanting places to visit in the Himalayan region. This valley is a semi-desert with a known affinity for Buddhist beliefs. Zanskar Valley is eternally famous for its high snow-capped mountains and surrounding landscapes, featuring geographical attributes that are unique to this region. Reaching this place will introduce you to sparkling clean river water and a pleasant climate that makes it worth exploring. By air, the nearest airport is Leh Airport, 460 km from Kargil, and via Srinagar Airport it is 460 km. By train, nearest railway station is Jammu Tawi Railway Station in Jammu, that is 740 km. By road, from Kargil to Zanskar it is 250 km, from Leh around 460 km. Best time to visit. Best time to visit Zanskar Valley is between the months of June to September. During this time, the weather is most decent for travelers who visit the valley. Best place to stay. Zanskar has no accommodation option and tourists set up their own tents when they visit Zanskar. Some also prefer to stay in nearby areas like Padu and Leh, where there are tourist complexes and several other accommodations. If we talk about food option, local shops offering breakfast and snacks are scattered all around the hamlet. There are a lot of hotels serving Chinese and Tibetan cuisine, and though these restaurants serve only limited options in terms of variety, food is extremely delicious. Let's get into the people and climate of the place. Housing a large population of Tibetan Buddhists, the daily life of Zanskar revolves around monks and Buddhist monasteries. While the locals generally speak in Zanskari, they are also fluent in Hindi, Ladakhi and Urdu. Zanskar constitutes a high-altitude semi-desert lying on the northern flank of the Great Himalayan Range. That mountain range acts as a climate barrier protecting Ladakh and Zanskar from most of the monsoon, resulting in a pleasantly warm and dry climate in the summer. During winter, the temperature can dip to a ferocious minus 30 degrees Celsius. Surprisingly, Zanskar Valley has many places of tourist interest that draw people to its remote location. Reaching Zanskar Valley itself offers the visitors ample adventure and thrill, which is why they can come and relax amidst the silent environment during their stay and relish this tranquility of these spots. Suru Valley. From Kargil to Rangdum, a part of your journey to Zanskar Valley happens through the Suru Valley. Contrary to Zanskar, you will find this valley in full bloom with lush greenery that can ideally capture one's attention. The Suru Valley is the starting point for rafting trips and mountain expeditions. Shafat Glacier. If you have heard of the peaks Nan and Kun, you would know that they find their peaks from this glacier. Those who prepare to take a mountaineering expedition on these mountains usually start from this point. A popular stream which originates from this glacier takes the name Shafat Nala and adds its water to the Suru River. Sani Monastery, perhaps the oldest religious institution in the entire region of Ladakh. You will find this monastery at a sheer distance of 6 km from Padu. The founder of this monastery was a famous Kushan emperor, Pensila Pass. Separating the Zanskar Valley from the Suru Valley, Pensila Pass is located at 4400 meters above the sea level in the Zanskar range of mountains, rich with medical plants, blue-green water springs, and an unparalleled view of the surrounding mountains. This region is an ideal campsite for trekkers who wish to take breath before resuming their journey. Chadar Trek of a lifetime. Walk on the frozen Zanskar River and camp while the Frisian water flows beneath you. I hope this video on Zanskar Valley will help you in planning most aspects of your trip. Believe me, this place is breathtaking and it will be among the best trips of your life. It will certainly help other fellow friends to plan their journey to one of the remote yet beautiful places in the Himalayas. I hope this video made you feel refreshed. If you have watched till end, do like, share and subscribe. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep exploring the wonderful places around the